Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're going to be talking to a friend of mine out here at Traders Village. He's in booth number
467.
Booth number 467. It's white tusked LEDs, and we're talking to my friend Roberto. So Roberto, why don't you show us around, show us what you have.
How you doing? We do carry LED light bars for all kinds of vehicles. Cars, trucks, boats, machinery.
Okay.
Anything that pretty much moves.
Okay.
All the way from headlights.
What are all these things out here?
Headlights, LED headlights.
Okay.
Two-side, four-sided, all colors to choose from.
Okay.
All color temperatures.
What do you mean? All these can change different colors is what you're saying?
Some of them can change colors,
How cool
such
is
as
that?
these. For shows, right? And
Okay.
for every single...
Okay. How about these over here? What are these?
These are LEDs.
Okay.
Headlight bulbs for all kinds of indoor or outdoor bulbs that need to be changed to LEDs.
Okay.
From halogen to LEDs. For example, these are for indoor cars. Yes.
Okay.
All this reverse signal lights.
Okay.
You can do turn signals.
So the LEDs are
brakes.
brighter than regular lights?
They will be up to 5 to 10 times lighter to
Okay.
all regular halogen lights.
Okay.
Last up to 10 times more.
Okay.
They are waterproof.
Okay. Are they hard to install?
Shockproof. They are very easy to install.
Very easy.
Especially if you're going to replace your regular halogen bulbs. It's like plug and play.
Okay. Very cool.
Especially these headlights. We also sell work lights.
Okay.
All kinds of jobs. Cops, security.
Okay.
EMS.
And these over here, what are these for?
These are work lights, auxiliary work lights. You can do work it out for Jeeps,
Okay.
cars,
So you have like the light,
etc.
you have like the light bars they put on top of the four-wheel drives,
That is correct.
cars and stuff.
We will move to this other side.
The other side? Okay, let's go check it
and
out.
we will look at these LED light bars.
Oh yeah, you sure do. Look at that. How big are those? How long are those?
These are anywhere from 30 inches, 42, 50, up to 54 inches we carry.
Wow,
that's the longest one we carry.
Okay.
And they are different voltages, different power. We can match it to the customer needs, to the customer type of vehicle. We carry all kinds of brackets.
Okay.
That will fit the vehicle that the customer needs.
Right.
Match it out, carry the harness as well. That will power these lights.
Let me ask you this, out of all the lights we've seen, can you use these on a motorcycle too, or are these just made for cars?
These, some of these are special for motorcycle. We carry from motorcycle headlights.
Oh wow.
Again, mentioning turn signal.
Okay.
Regular headlights, if you want to come over this side, we have motorcycle headlights for Harley Davidson.
Oh wow.
Some Honda.
Okay.
Auxiliary headlights that again you can mount. We carry clamps for all kinds of diameter on those pipes and stuff.
Well, let me ask you this. What if somebody has like a boat? Could they use something like this on their boats at nighttime?
Yes. Not only we carry for terrestrial vehicles, but we also carry for both marine. They are shockproof, like I told you. They can work anywhere between 9 up to 24 volts DC. Okay. So they're safe to work in a boat battery. Okay. And yes, all colors. We have in flood type and spots, flood, combination, flood and spots. Okay. Anywhere from 5 inches, 3 inches up to 20, 22, 30, 50 inches. Wow. Do you offer installation? We do offer some kind of installation on request, and we have appointments too, Monday to Friday. Oh wow. You can do those too. That's very cool. Yes, sir. So, okay. Well, guys, so this is Roberto. We are at Traders Village, and I forgot the booth number. What's your booth number? 467. Don't forget. 467. Right on the corner of D and 4th Street. Right on the corner of D and 4th Street. Come out and visit him.
He'll take care of all of your needs for your car, your boat, your motorcycle, just anything. And they also offer the installation, so you definitely can't beat that. So these are the type of things that we have over here at Traders Village. So come out and check him out.